Hello, my name is Battista and today I'll teach you how to make a paper airplane called art with my family. So let's go. Well, this book has helped me a lot. It's 100 more paper airplanes to fold and fly. Well, it has helped me a lot. These are the steps for making a paper airplane called the dart. I have chosen to make this paper airplane called dart because, well, the dart flies far and fast, but be careful of its pointy nose when you throw it. Well, I cut it so it will not be that pointy. If you don't see very well how I do it, you can see it. You fold it like a book. You fold it again like this, and do this. We fold it like this. Can you see it? Look at there, now look at here. Well, it doesn't look like, well, the best folding, but, well, I'm not a professional.
This one, now this one is here.
The first one I mess it up, then my mom messed it up, and well, now we're going to bring Lucas and see what he can do to it. Well,
so what seems to be the problem?
the problem is I can't really make it stay like on the side. It goes out, and my mom just make it look like that, and it's supposed to look like this.
Okay, so I think that let's just start from square one. Let's start here. We'll unravel it. So now we look like we're looking at the first picture. So we folded our paper in half. Now we have that one. So now I think, can you hold that right there?
Of course.
Can you see that okay? So I think we want to take what's folded here and fold it again. So this one was right. You both were right on your second fold. You both were right on your second fold, but what we didn't do was fold it one more time, like that one wants us to do. So we need to do a fold here. You guys were so close. You got the first part right, you got the second part right.
We were having to do the third one, but my mom didn't understand.
You didn't understand either, buddy. It takes a whole team to make an airplane. There's no single person who can make an airplane. That's why they make companies. That looks pretty much like that picture, huh, Battista? What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so we now have our two airplanes. Wait, you think?
Well,
see if it works. Throw it that way.
But first, I'm going to make it some modifieds too.
Oh, we're going to modify this one as well. Excellent.
So, we get our scissors.
I've always been curious to see what you do.
And do you see the wings? No? See the wings?
See.
And now we cut it.
Okay.
That.
Oh, same on both sides?
Then we cut this one like that.
Okay.
This part we cut it like this.
Oh, almost. One more.
Like
excellent.
That. And here we cut it. Just a second. We cut it like this.
Awesome. That looks great,
Now,
Battista.
Let's see if this bad boy can beat this other bad boy.
We're taking this to the streets, actually the fields. We're going to the desert. You want to go to the desert? Where are we going to fly these?
Well, we're going to fly it in the neighborhood.
In the neighborhood. Tomorrow. Competition. Blue versus black. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Game on.
Cut.
Can you hear me?
Yes, fuerte claro.
Perfecto.
Cambio fuera.
Is this a good spot, Battista?
Okay, here's the place. I can feel the wind. We're going to do the competition. We have find a good location where the wind blows, and let's go. Camera woman, are you ready?
I am ready.
Good, let's get this started.
Take your position, Battista. Okay, perfect. Action.
Let's do it.
This is my mom, the camera woman. Now she will change jobs and fly airplanes with me. So, well, let's get this started. That was bad throws. At least mine stays on the ground.
This has been a Roxy production.
Conclusion.
Well, it seems that this version, the original dart version with modifications, works a lot better in the house than outside. The not expert version of the dart without modification was a little bit of modification, works better in the house and outside. So well, this one is better. See you next time.